How to save progress on Crazy Games. Crazy Games Save Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can save progress on Crazy Games. So without further ado, let's get started. To save progress on Crazy Games, what we want to do is we want to first launch Crazy Games. Now, based on the type of game that you're playing, the progress are going to be automatically saved. For example, as you can see on my app, you'll find the section at the top that says continue playing. It means that these are the games that I have played, and if I go within a specific game, it has also that particular saved materials of the point where I was last playing the game. But the caveat here is that this only works as long as you are connected to a particular account. So you must have to create an account and log in using that account. To check for that, just tap on the U icon from the bottom right corner of the screen right here, and here you can see in my case I'm logged into an account, and it is a very simple process to create an account. If you haven't done so, you can just continue with your Facebook, Google or your Apple ID. And as long as you're logged into an account, any type of game that you play, all of those games, if they have the save file, the progress should be automatically saved. This way you can save progress on Crazy Games. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.